What happened on Jonah and the whale? Tell me the story, Chloe. You're thinking? Oh, there it is. What happened?
No whale.
Why did the whale eat Jonah?
Because open mouth.
He opened his mouth. What did Jonah do that was wrong?
Listen God.
He didn't listen to God. That's right. So then what happened? Turn the page. Tell me what happened. Nope, other way. Here. Go this way. Then what happened?
Listen God.
He prayed to God, and did the fish spit Jonah onto dry land?
Back.
Huh?
Back.
His pants got messed up in the water? They got torn?
Yeah.
Yeah. And
Someone get the water out there.
huh?
Someone get it out.
Something got him out in the water?
No. Someone will get the water out there.
Okay. And so then what happened at the end? What's the moral of the story?
No friends.
He got new pants. Tell me, show me.
Listen to God.
Say, listen to God. Is that all?
No.
No?
That's the
That's just a little bit? Can you say, that's the story of Jonah and the... Say, that's the story of Jonah and the whale.
Fish.
What? Say, the end.
No, Mom.
Why?
Open the mouth.
He opened his mouth. The big fish did?
No. Listen to God.
Listen to God.
Someone get this. But fall down. Mom.
His pants fell down?
Someone get it.
Something got him? Something got his pants?
No. Yes, this.
I don't think it lifts up, baby. Oh, they're in his mouth?
Yeah.
Oh, he ate the pants?
Yeah.
Oh. But then guess what happened?
Fish. Eat fish, but fall down. Open mouth.
His pants fell down and opened his mouth?
Yeah.
Oh, you're so smart. But say, he should have listened to God, huh?
Listen to God. Don't fish fall down. Bat. Fish fall down.
Okay, say the end.
Fish fall down.
His pants fell down. It's okay.
Bite fish. Bat.
The fish bit the pants.
This one.
Yes.
Out there.
Yes. Okay, say the end. Say the end.
Listen God.
Okay, say the end, Chloe. Say the end.